Okay, but your first question: what's the thing that makes you different? What makes you getting chosen as a leader in a team? Great question, Piyush. I love what you're thinking. I commend you for wanting to move ahead in your career. So I think that there's a lot of views on how you become a leader in a data science team. So I'll just give you my view and the things that have helped me. But there's certainly other views out there. But there's two things that I can think about that I want to share with you. One is I mentioned my business knowledge. The fact that I do have a business undergrad, and that I can help in that way has definitely helped me become leaders of teams. So here's why I say that. Because throughout my career, even when I was in software development, right? Because I was a software developer before I was a data scientist. Even before that, I've always felt like I have these two faces, right? One face, I can talk to the business stakeholders and I can understand their problem and I can understand why they want to solve that problem. And I mean that strictly in business terms, right? They tell me about, what is the pain point or what they're trying to increase or measure from a business perspective. And to my stakeholders, I'm never talking code.